Bag making enthusiasts, get ready for a game-changing collaboration that will elevate your projects like never before. We are thrilled to team up with celebrity designer and talented entrepreneur Tula Pink to bring you a stunning collection of bright pink bag hardware and coordinating zippers. So first up, let's talk about the star of the show, which is the bright pink Tula hardware. This collection features a bold and cheerful pink that's sure to make your bag stand out. The hardware selection includes all of our essential pieces, from D-rings and swivel hooks to magnetic snaps and tassels, all in this vibrant hue. When pairing this hardware with various Tula Pink fabrics, we think you'll find that it's a perfect match to current and past collections. This vibrant pink adds a fun modern twist to your bag designs. In order to create this vivid color, each piece of hardware is made with real silver and plated with a bright pink hanging finish. To complement the bag hardware, we worked with Tula to create a collection of zippers by the yard, available in several tape colors to coordinate with the hardware. Whether you're looking for a subtle match or a contrasting pop of color, there's a zipper tape to suit your style. This first collection of zipper tapes include white, beige, natural, gray, navy, black, moonflower, and raindrop. And to jumpstart your Tula Pink projects, we've crafted two gorgeous collaborated patterns, including the Tula Tote and Tula Accessories. These functional patterns are designed to be used together as the ultimate set or separately for individual style. The Tula Tote is a spacious and stylish bag perfect for everyday use or as a carry-all for class or travel adventures. With its bold design and practical features, it's sure to become a favorite in your collection. Its spacious interior has plenty of room for all of your essentials. Inside the tote, you'll find various pockets and connectors for accessory attachments. Its stylish design shows off your bright pink hardware and colorful zippers. You can feature your treasured Tula Pink fabrics paired up with a contrasting non-woven such as faux leather or cork to make your cotton prints pop. The Tula Accessories pattern includes 3 useful patterns in one set of instructions that complement the Tula Tote. The convenient pouches and eyeglasses case are handy items that make styling and organizing a breeze and are easily interchanged between bags. This coordinated set is designed to match perfectly with the Tula Totes and clip onto other bags, duffels, and backpacks. They are also fun, functional, and practical accessories with a stylish twist. We've created and tested this pattern to have clear instructions with illustrations, along with a free step-by-step video tutorial for each pattern to make it accessible for all skill levels. And this collaboration is more than just a collection of patterns and bag making supplies. It is an invitation to let your creativity run wild and perhaps step outside of your comfort zone. So whether you're a seasoned sewist or just starting out on your bag making journey, we hope that these products will inspire you and you'll create something that's truly special. These Sallie Tomato products are available at your local quilt shop, so be sure to support your local store. And if your local shop hasn't heard about this collaboration yet, let them know that you're interested in purchasing it. So grab your sewing machine and get ready to dive into this exciting collection. With the perfect blend of style, quality, and creativity, the Sallie Tomato and Tula Pink collaboration is sure to be a game changer in the world of bag making. And we would love to see your amazing creations. Share photos of your completed projects on social media using the hashtag Tula×SallieTomato. I would love to hear in the comments what you plan to make with these new bag making supplies. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a creative day.